Would you just look at that? We got another 250 on the off-road package rolling out of the shop today. This one going to my man Richie, local guy here in Tennessee with us, and he has got a badass tank. So let's check her out here. Now this is our standard patina finish, guys. What that entails is we take this nice tank here that Mother Nature has worked hard on over the past 30 years, do all our metal work around it, clean it up, automotive grade clear coat for the finish. Now yes, it is still going to patina under the clear coat, guys. That's why we call it the patina finish. All right, makes sense. We'll open her up here. Now the counterweights are an option on the 250, all right? You don't have to have them, but they do make it much easier to open those doors. Top sliding racks, that is standard in every TMG pit, of course. Then you got 3 racks on the bottom, 1.5-inch ball valve down there to clean the grease out. Of course, we've got the TMG Pits tail tooth thermometers there, 1 in each door. On our off-road package, on the tank smokers, guys, we do these cool fabricated axles front and rear, brace underneath. Of course, this one's got our XL wheel and tire package. The only way to go on a tank smoker, in my opinion. Come around here to the Firebox. This has got our fully insulated Firebox, all right? Give you a hint, every tank smoker we build gets a fully insulated Firebox. That's the only way we'll do them. Doors insulated, front of it's insulated as well. We got a 3/8 thick pipe inside there, so that's not gonna rust out on you. Runs like a dream. This does have D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners, make it easy to strap it down on a trailer. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.